I'm enjoying Christmas ham and watching the for tomorrow's snowstorm.
Wait, is this on YouTube?
Yeah.
So is it for here then?
Well, in Pennsylvania area, it's going to start snowing 2 a.m. That's what you're saying, but
Tomorrow? They moved it up?
that's just what I'm reading. That's just what it
Because
is.
it wasn't supposed to start until tomorrow night and then Saturday. And then Sunday.
It's clear to start, but then clouds come in towards sunrise. That's going to lock us into 20
Tonight.
And tomorrow, of course, you know, it's an alert day because of the wintry mix development. Get to where you need to go by early afternoon on Friday. You should be A-okay. It's going to hunker down.
Yeah, so it's still late tomorrow. It's going to
Conditions will
start.
improve on Saturday, especially when roads are treated.
So I'm enjoying that Christmas ham. And I'm planning my day to.
This is Reading. This is
right now.
this is up further in PA.
Yeah, well, there's Philadelphia. Who knows what? Who knows what's going to happen? Who knows what's going to happen
Well,
here?
it says it's going to be cloudy all day, so the snow could pretty much start whenever.
Yeah. So April made a Christmas ham. This is my second plate. I'm enjoying it with a little spicy mustard. I have definitely am feeling under the weather. It hit me, but yesterday I think the antifreeze in my truck. I think the antifreeze leaking from the Sequoia and the fumes of hot antifreeze of me breathing them in. My system definitely cannot handle certain fumes. I can't take certain burning odors of chemicals or oils or lubricants. It definitely messes me up, and it's like in my face where I'm just getting sick. And then that's not good if you're planning on going out and snowing for 7 to 10 hours tomorrow, which is put in a full work day, and then plan on doing snow. So I'm not really sure. So I'm gonna slice a little piece of this swine. You hear people say that all the time about ham. And then I'm going to dip a little piece in that and this. Who likes their ham with spicy mustard? I actually like hot ham and cheese. It's so good. Hot ham and cheese with a slight spread of spicy mustard. Anybody out here watch these guys go to these buffets, these Chinese buffets, and they just, do a video of them eating Chinese food, and it looks pretty good. We thought that we were going to go do a little bit of that in Philly. These what are they? I don't even know what they call them. It's like all you can eat buffets. Yeah, but we just haven't pulled the trigger. We go to Ruby Buffet in Cherry Hill all the time, and it's okay. It's not like a home cooked meal. There's nothing like. You see what that says on there? Philly Pretzel. Their spicy brown mustard is the bomb. I don't like a whole lot of spicy brown mustard, but it really wakes up. I actually like spicy brown mustard. You put spicy brown mustard in your deviled eggs?
Yes.
I definitely like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
hopefully
all the food that I've eaten today and all the over-the-counter medication gives me the energy I need for tomorrow. This is delicious. This is a pre-cooked ham. You can actually taste syrup. Actually, you can taste syrup in here. And then South Main Auto just came on. I don't even know if this is an old video or not. Eric O, Merry Christmas. Everyone, thanks for watching. Merry Christmas. Until the next video.